Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Techies. I'm Anuj Rana, and today in this video we are going to discuss that how can we see our like posts, reels or stories on Instagram. So let's go ahead and begin the video. Before I begin this video, please ensure the first of all that you should have the updated and the latest version of Instagram application updated properly in your Android phone so that whatever the features, the process that I'm telling you, you should not miss that. All right, let's start it. I'll give you a demonstration in my Android phone. So what we'll do, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Instagram application. The first thing you see is the homepage. All right, I'll do one thing. Let me go ahead and like some posts so that it can be visible in my liked section. All right, let me like this video and let's see. Let's like this one. This is an ad. Not suitable. I like this post. Let me like this picture and one more. Good. All right. Now let's see whether these videos and the pictures that I have liked just now, whether are these visible in our liked post section or not. So what I'll do, first of all, let's click on the profile icon. That's my picture over here on the bottom. It will take me to my profile page. All right, so what I'll do over here, let me just tap on the three horizontal bars on the top corner. And from here, I will select the second option. So it will take me to another page. From here, there are different options like time spent, photos and videos, interaction, account history, recent searches, links you have visited, recently deleted. You have all these options. If you anytime in future, if you'd like to check anything else from these options, you can get it from here. So let me tap on interactions. From interactions, it will show me whatever interactions I have done in the past. It will give me a list of that. That means if you'd like to check the pictures on which you have commented, then you have this first option. If you'd like to see the likes, that is what we are looking for right now. So that is the second option. And just like that, we have other options also. So let's go ahead and tap on the like section. I have all the videos over here that I have liked in past. So just like this, you will get the list of all the videos over here that you have liked so far. And from there, if you want, you can watch them again. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.